Australia versus and then versus Spain. I take a picture of beer and it's right there. And then I turn off my camera because I talked to the officers and it's so funny. I thought they were police because I was gonna report. Gonna report that someone dropped a big ball and then I did not see it's ambulance uniform people. It's not a police enforcer. Spain score 12. So this is part 2 for Spain versus Australia. Apologize for cutting. I stepped back and then there was a pixel of beer.
Conversion unsuccessful.
On my foot.
Australia 5, Spain 12.
Was gonna continue the whole team or the whole game. Excuse me, I burped. Dugay manggod. The ball is with Spain again. Try again. Score is 19, Spain versus Australia 5. This is second game. Time check, it's 5 seconds. For sure, Spain will win this. Score, guys, score!
Spain 19.
Oh, out.
And that's full time. Spain winners 19-5.
Panalo. End of the game. Spain wins. That's it, guys. Bye for now. Let's wait for the next game.